Okay, so this video is for Lab 4, Part 3 of Systems Programming. Um, so we were given this file, and it's supposed to open up a text file, or create one if there's not one already made. And then it's supposed to read user input and copy it into the text file and make that change in this while loop. Um, but uh, pressing Control D and pressing Control C to exit the program, they do different things when they should be doing um, similar things. So we're supposed to kind of investigate that. So I'll just show you what it's supposed to do. So I'll just exit this and I'll save it. So, um, let me compile it. Okay, so, um, I'm gonna run it and with the text file lab4.txt. So now it's waiting for user input. I'll just say hello world, enter, okay, and then it'll just keep accepting input until we close a program with either Control D or Control C. I'll use Control D, and we'll see. This was from before. I'll reload it. Hello world. So it works with Control D, but here's the point of the lab. So we run it again. We'll go, my name is Matthew, enter, and then I'll press Control C instead of Control D this time. Okay, let's look at the text file, reload it. Nothing has changed. So to make this work, we had to read from the textbook and like read the part about the function set vbuff. Um, and this is what I came up with. So set vbuff just allows you to set how much I'm a little confused at what it's really supposed to do. I think it's just supposed to specify exactly um, what kind of buffering we want for a given program. So I just commented it out here, but I'm gonna use line buffering. So what's gonna happen is for user input, um, every time a new line happens, it should uh, take that user input and add it to the file. So that way, if we press Control C, it will still update the text file because we had pressed enter, which is a new line. Yeah, and that's just with these two lines. So I'm going to save it, exit, gotta compile it, of course. And then, okay, so I'm going to run it, I'll do it again. So um, Matthew Gagnon, that's my name. And then I'll press Control D this time. So Control D, we already know this works, right? And I think this is because Control D, um, Control D, well actually I'll say Control C ends the program like if forcefully, like I guess instead of like gracefully, like it'll just it'll end it. It's like it's not using the end of file feature. If we press Control D, it'll act as if we just reached the end of file. Um, but anyway, so yeah, so this works to copy it. Now let's run it again. And now I'll say hello world. Press enter. Now press Control C this time, and because we pressed enter after writing hello world, the program will end and hello world. So now it actually copied the user input into the, or I shouldn't say copy, it wrote the user input into the text file because we implemented set vbuff, and we made it a line buffer. And I think that's about it. So yeah, we fixed the issue because the issue was pressing Control C didn't actually execute um, this part, the end of file part. But now it still works. That's it.